Hello and welcome. Today we're going to add 4G capability to our server. By having 4G, as long as the server has mobile connection, lets us view the data, upload files, download files, update the software wherever we are in the world. And to do that, we use the a TP-Link M7200 4G router. So as you can see, it's a very compact router, and it lets us connect anywhere in the world. So here's a map of the coverage from Wikipedia. It's, as you can see, it's pretty worldwide, full coverage. And you'll see it's called an LTE modem. So for those who are curious, it's LTE stands for long-term evolution, and it's just the wireless communication standard that makes sure that wherever these units are in the world, they will work. So as long as your project is somewhere in the red, you're clear to go. Okay, so this, as well as providing 4G connection, provides a hotspot, so we can connect up to 10 devices. So if you're collecting data in a field application, you can connect 10 separate devices for viewing or for whatever reason you have. 8 hours of power, and really this is the the key to this video that's coming up is how to set it up. But here's the 2-second instruction. Basically, put your SIM card in and put the battery, close the lid, turn it on. It also comes with a really quite an easy to use Android app for setting it up and configuring it. But in today's video, we assume that you've got the unit from me and it's already been configured. So we're just going to step through unboxing and connecting it up. So I have my prepaid SIM here. I've registered that online, so that's ready to go. And then I have my modem. So from the modem, as in always not too badly packed, and I need the battery from here as well. So battery, the modem. In here also I've got a charging cord, but I don't need that just yet. The battery comes a little bit charged already. Okay, so we can see here it has a flat end where we can use to charge the battery when it's installed. So really all we need to do is open the back, and I open the back, it's got a small indent on the other side from the charger. Just put our thumbnail in there, or what we've got left of a thumbnail, and open the back up, and we can see the back here. The important thing at the back here to note is that at the top here we have the SSID and the default password. So if you're using this for the first time, if you just bought one of these, you'll need to know this to connect to it for the first time, so you can configure it. I'll do a separate video later on how it's configured for this project. But for now, we'll just assume that you've got it from me, it's already configured, and all you're doing is putting your local country SIM into it. So that's a really simple thing to do. Just take your SIM, you'll see that there's a small alignment thing to show which way it should be aligned, which is not that way. It's got to be contacts down and the little notch on this side. And now I just slide that in, and then the SIM card's in place. Reinstall the battery, put the cover back on, and we're ready to go. Okay, so let's just go over the operation very quickly. Press and hold the button until the lights come on. The lights come on, and now the unit's booting up. So it's starting up the software internally, getting ready for use. So when the lights go out, we know that that process has been completed. So a couple of seconds, and there we go. The light's gone out, the battery indicator shows the state of the battery, and then very shortly the second light will come on, and the third light. So the second light shows you that the globe type light shows you that you're connected to the 4G network, and the typical Wi-Fi indicator shows you that you're connected to the Wi-Fi network. And then after some time, the indicators will go out. That's to save power, obviously. If you ever need to know the status of it, just momentarily press the power button, the lights come back on again, and then after a time, once again, they'll go out again, which will be a little while. Very soon. So as I mentioned earlier, this should be pre-configured. So once you've inserted your SIM, you should be ready to go. You turn the server on, it'll connect automatically to this, and then you should be able to control it from the mobile app. Okay, so to turn the unit off, basically press and hold the off button. The lights will come on, and then the unit will shut off. Simple as that. Plug it into your normal phone charger to charge it up, and according to the brochure, you should get 8 hours of use. But that will depend on how solid the signal is from your mobile towers and how much data you're using. So yes, 8 hours in ideal conditions. Anyway, hopefully that's made it very clear what how to use it, how to add 4G to the server, and I'll talk to you soon in the next upcoming video.